So let us review today's price action on XAUUSD. Today being 6th of August 2026, and these are trades are shared in the group or in the community today. This was just before price moved, during price moving, and after price had hit our targets. So quickly, let's start off 15-minute time frame. You can see price has given us a sweep of liquidity right here and a market structure shift to give us an idea that price is going to be bearish on this Thursday. And another thing that is happening around here is price has given us a break of structure to the downside. Now, prior to this break of structure, price gives us internal range liquidity right here, and this internal range liquidity is what internal liquidity is what now we need to sweep before price now finally moves in a direction, and that is what we did right here. So in the lower time frame, in the 5-minute time frame, at this time is when I was on the charts and I was able to note of this move. So the moment we had RSI divergence with an engulfing candle forming right here, that is now how we are able to frame this entry, this being the divergence points, right, like that. And then now, as this engulfing candle is forming, we are asking ourselves, this liquidity has been swept by these 2 weeks, and what in this engulfing candle, where is it reacting off from? We go to the 30-minute time frame, and this we noticed we had a fair value gap right here, and also another inverted fair value gap around this place. So that is what informed this decision to get into sales. Now 3-minute time frame, you can see actually this was not where we're supposed to get into the trade. The trade was ideally what we did, or what I did, is I got into this trade around somewhere around there. The first one was around here because of this engulfing candle and this RSI divergence, and that was prior to price forming, giving us another move upward like that. So with that in mind, that was the first trade, and then the second one was around here. I think I was in primarily the 3-minute time frame at the closure of this engulfing candle, a slight retracement, and then in the price dropped. So what this engulfing candle does is it helps me frame an entry and also a stop loss, and a stop loss was just slightly above that level, and my take profit was here, with this level acting as a partial take profit because of that, actually not here but here, because of this order block that is resting right down there. So that is how we managed to catch this trade. So the first position was around here and the second position was around here, but framing the entry with a 5-minute time frame, the entry is at the midpoint of this retracement right here, this engulfing candle, and then a retracement into this, the premium side of this range, and then a drop, and that is how this 5-minute engulfing candle would have framed this entry. So that is how we participated in today's price action on XAUUSD.